Dzień dobry again, and welcome to another episode of Mango Daddy Kitchen. Another Maltese traditional dish which regards ricotta, a sweet dish which is torta tal-lewz irkotta. In Polish would be tarta, migdałowa z ricotta. So it's it's like a tart, and the main ingredient is the ricotta with almonds and some candied fruit. Anyway, let's start the recipe. So, as usual, I'm gonna use the canwood mixer. We start by putting the flour, the margarine, a pinch of salt, and mix. Once the margarine and the flour are incorporated together, we put icing sugar, and orange rind, add the eggs, and for 50 milliliters of white wine. It's a nice dough. Now we cover and let it rest for half an hour in the fridge. While waiting for the dough to rest, let's do the filling. I'm gonna use the same container, so ricotta, tablespoons kefir, one orange zest, sugar, almond, ground almond, I'm gonna put a bit of pistachio ground, and candied fruit, and 2 eggs. Mix. And that would be the filling for the torta. So now we'll let the dough to rest for around 20 minutes. We put the oven now at around 180 degrees. Again, check your oven so you don't have any troubles like I did last time with the village biscuits. I'm gonna need a tart tin for the tart. I spray it ready so it doesn't stick with non-stick. And we open the dough. I cut half of it. Now, drop the filling. So we open the rest of the dough to the size of the surface. Okay, now we put it in the oven for around 1 hour 20 minutes or 1.5 hours, again depending on the oven. So now let's check, it's 1 hour and 30 minutes since I put it. So now we let it cool off, then once it cooled off, we put it in the fridge overnight so it will settle. So after leaving it for a fortnight, this is the result. I cut a piece ready, so you can see how you can present it. Thank you again for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and tell friends about it. I hope to see you for the next video. Thanks and do widzenia.